Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll explore Google Colab, one of the most powerful and free cloud-based tools for data science, machine learning, and AI development. To access, simply search Google Colab in the Google search box. The official link you'll find is colab.google. On the Colab homepage, you'll see the following welcome note. Colab is a hosted Jupyter Notebook service that requires no setup to use and provides free access to computing resources, including GPUs and TPUs. Colab is especially well suited to machine learning, data science, and education. This makes Colab extremely popular among data scientists, AI researchers, students, machine learning engineers, and anyone who wants fast access to computing power. With just a Google account, you can start coding instantly, store your projects in Google Drive, and collaborate with others in real time. Google Colab offers several powerful features that make it one of the best free cloud notebook platforms available today. Cloud-based execution, free GPU and TPU access, automatic Google Drive saving, pre-installed Python libraries, real-time collaboration, Jupyter Notebook compatibility. These features make Colab perfect for experimentation, education, and rapid development. The Google Colab homepage is divided into two main sections. Left sidebar menus. Here you can see blog, release notes, notebooks, resources. Right sidebar menus. Here you can see open Colab, new notebook, sign up. By clicking blog menu, you will redirect to medium.com website for Google Colab profile. So here you can explore different types of blog content like announcement, AI and machine learning, data and analytics, cloud computing, data visualization, education, and archive related content. You can explore any blog post to stay informed about the latest updates, features, and announcements related to Google Colab. These blog articles provide current insights and official information directly from the Colab team. By clicking Release Notes, you will get the all release information and their changes. In this time, I saw some changes has been made according to the release note 13 of 2025. Several new features have been introduced, such as the integration of a VS Code extension and the relocation of the notebook information panel, along with other interface improvements. Some Python packages have been updated to newer versions. For example, the package BigFrames has been upgraded from version 2.24 to 2.28, improving performance and compatibility. Some Python packages have been newly added to the environment, while others have been removed as part of recent updates. In the same way, you can review additional release updates to stay informed about other changes and improvements made to Google Colab. By scrolling through previous release notes, you can view summaries of older updates, bug fixes, and newly introduced features. By clicking Notebooks link, you can get some ready-made notebook in the field of Gemini API, AI and machine learning, data and analytics, cloud computing, data visualization, education, fun, and science. When you select any notebook card, the complete source code will open directly within the Colab notebook interface. You can execute, modify, or experiment with the code as needed. The step-by-step process for running these notebooks will be covered in detail later in this tutorial. For example, clicking on a music transcription with Transformers card will open a fully functional notebook where you can press the Run button to execute each code cell and observe the results in real time. By clicking Resources link, you can support from different community discussion website. You can provide feedback on the Google Colab product, report technical issues through GitHub, share your opinions or questions via Twitter, and seek solutions or discuss problems on Stack Overflow. You can access a wide range of AI and machine learning resources directly from the Colab resources page, including platforms such as TensorFlow, MLKit, and Google Open Source, which provide powerful tools and frameworks for building, training, and deploying intelligent applications. Within the dataset section, you can discover and locate datasets using Google Dataset Search, which allows you to browse thousands of datasets from various computer science disciplines and online repositories. Based on your search results, you can select and download the dataset that best fits your research or development needs. In the Enterprise Resources section, you can access advanced organizational tools such as Cloud AI and Cloud AutoML, which are designed to help businesses build, deploy, and scale high-performing machine learning solutions efficiently. For example, Cloud AI provides powerful pre-trained models and customizable AI services for enterprise applications, while Cloud AutoML enables organizations to create high-quality machine learning models with minimal technical effort and reduced complexity. In the next video, we'll learn how to create notebooks and run source code inside Google Colab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.